Hello everyone, I want to tell you or show you how the best platform for OM Mantra. I want to show you how to maximize your portfolio. Discover the best staking platform for OM Mantra. Maximize your portfolio. Staking has become one of the best ways for crypto investors to earn passive income while supporting blockchain networks. If you hold OM Mantra, that is OM tokens, staking is a powerful strategy to grow your portfolio with minimal effort. But not all staking platforms are created equal. Some other higher rewards, better security, and more user-friendly experiences. In this video, I will show you the best staking platform for OM Mantra, how to get started, and the key tips to maximize your staking rewards. Now, let me start with telling you what OM Mantra staking is. OM Mantra is a decentralized finance token designed to empower users with staking, lending, governance, and yield farming opportunities. By staking OM tokens, you lock them into a platform in exchange for regular rewards, like earning interest on a savings account with higher returns. Staking OM Mantra, how you can be helped. It secure the OM Mantra ecosystem. It also helps to provide liquidity to the network. It also rewards long-term token holders. The longer you stake, the more you earn. Now, these are the top staking platforms for OM Mantra. Number one is Mantra DAO. This is the official staking platform. Why do you need to choose Mantra DAO? Mantra DAO is official staking platform for OM tokens. It also directly contributes to the OM Mantra ecosystem. It also offers high staking rewards compared to third-party platforms. The annual yield is you have competitive rates based on staking duration. Then it is best for long-term OM Mantra holders looking for maximum security. Number two platform is Binance Staking. Why do you need to choose Binance Staking? Because it is user-friendly. It's user-friendly interface for beginners. It has flexible and locked staking options. One of the safest platforms with strong security measures. The annual yield for this varies based on market conditions, and it is best for investors who prefer a trusted exchange. Another of these platforms where you can be able to stake your OM Mantra for huge profit is KuCoin. As I said, you can put your money on KuCoin Earn. Why do you need to choose KuCoin Earn to stake OM Mantra? It has soft staking, that is no lockup required. You can earn passive rewards while keeping tokens liquid. Then it has additional features like OM Mantra lending and trading. The annual yield is moderate and it is flexible. It is good or best for investors who don't want long lock-up periods. Another one where you can stake your OM Mantra for good profit is OKX staking. Why do you need to choose OKX staking? It has strong reputation as a secure exchange. It has regular OM Mantra staking events with high APRs. It has staking rewards paid daily or paid weekly. The annual yield for these can be higher during special staking events, and it is best for users who prefer short-term staking rewards. Now, how do you choose the best staking platform for OM Mantra? When selecting a platform to stake OM Mantra, consider these factors: staking rewards, check APRs and incentives offered by the platform. Look for the lockup periods. Some platforms require weeks or months of staking before withdrawal. Then security. choose trusted exchanges or official OM Mantra staking services. Then look at the fees, compare the fees and payout frequency. Lower fees often mean higher earnings over time. How then do you maximize your staking rewards on these platforms for OM Mantra? Number one, stake for longer durations to earn higher rewards. Then you need to diversify across multiple platforms to spread risk. Then stay updated with OM Mantra announcements for special staking events. Then use compounding strategies by reinvesting rewards. Staking OM Mantra is a smart way to earn passive income, I must say, while supporting the ecosystem. Whether you choose Mantra, DAO, Binance, KuCoin, or OKX, staking allows you to grow your portfolio effortlessly. Are you ready to stake your OM tokens? Choose the best platform and start earning today. What is your favorite OM Mantra staking platform? Drop a comment about it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video on Dr. Olugbenga Adetutu TV. I want you to keep coming back for more information on how to make money both online and offline. I make a boast on this channel that if you keep coming back to this channel and you watch my videos daily for 6 months, your life will be transformed. In fact, you yourself will not understand where you have moved to from where you have moved, because you will experience rapid and instantaneous transformation. I am sent to you, and that is why you should keep glued to this channel and watch one video per day and take action on them. Action takers are favored by the goddess of good luck. Take action and you'll be glad today. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, share the link of this video to family and friends. I am going to come your way again in the next one. I've made several videos about the Pi network, about the Delta mining app, and about the X365.ai. Do well to go on those platforms and sign in with my username and my password. Sign in with, not my username and password, sign in with my referral link. If you want me to add you to a dedicated WhatsApp group where I talk about crypto and where we discuss and give signals from time to time, more updates than here, you can drop your phone number or you can contact me on WhatsApp and I'm going to add you to a dedicated WhatsApp group. Until I see you in the next one, this video popping up by the side from my channel is the next you need to watch. Bye for now.